So have you ever wondered what sets a great photographer apart from the rest? What makes their work so exceptional, so very captivating? Well, let's take a closer look, shall we, at the qualities that make these photographers truly stand out. Great photographers, they're fueled by an unwavering dedication and passion for their craft. They pour their hearts and souls into every image they capture, constantly pushing themselves, always trying to improve, creating extraordinary visuals. And it's that insatiable curiosity that drives the great photographers to explore new perspectives, new techniques and locations. They constantly seek out unique angles, unexpected compositions. They're looking for hidden gems, capturing moments that others just overlook. One of the secrets, I think, behind the greatness of those photographers lies in their keen eye for detail. They meticulously consider every aspect of an image, from lighting and composition to colours and subject placement. And it's that attention to detail that sort of elevates their photography from ordinary to extraordinary. That's what they're doing. The very fact is, they're seeing the picture that we're not. Yeah, great photographers understand the value of patience and the value of perfect timing. They wait patiently for the right moment. And when they see it, they seize it with precision to capture fleeting emotions, decisive actions, and ephemeral beauty. Their patience ensures that their photography resonates with viewers on a deeply, deeply emotional level. And that's sometimes just what our photography is missing, that emotional link. Flexibility, I suppose, and adaptability are really the key assets of great photographers. They're able, I suppose, to think on their feet, adjust their plans and techniques to overcome any challenges that may be put in front of them. Their creativity really knows no bounds, does it? It sort of allows them to turn and weave and make unique opportunities appear when we just look at the scene and say, oh, it's just not happening. Great photographers they're just not image makers. It's not as simple as that. They're storytellers. They have an innate ability to weave narratives within their photographs, to evoke emotions and capture an essence of the scene, of the moment. Their images tell stories that resonate and leave a lasting impact. Some of the great storyteller photographs, some of the great photographers' photographs can live with you for years. The path to greatness, though, it's not always easy, but great photographers possess an unwavering perseverance. They are resilient, I suppose. They learn from their mistakes and their setbacks, and they use them as stepping stones to grow, to improve. They keep pushing forwards, undeterred by challenges, because, their passion's in the photography, and that's what fuels their determination. Their willingness to succeed comes from that. So what does make a great photographer so good? Dedication, passion, curiosity, attention to detail, timing, adaptability, creativity, storytelling, perseverance, resilience. The list seems to be endless. Those qualities combined together with a deep love of photography, their craft, it sort of sets them apart. It elevates them to really, really extraordinary heights. So celebrate the greatness, I suppose. Capture the extraordinary. That's their mantra. Look, whether you're an aspiring photographer or simply an admirer of the art form, embrace the qualities of these great photographers and let them guide you on your photographic journey. The possibilities are endless. The world's waiting for you to capture its beauty in the way that only you can. And if you need some inspiration from some of these great photographers, I've done a couple of videos about photographers that will give you, inspiration to follow in their footsteps. And here's one coming up here. Why don't you take a look?